Even if, maybe you are thinking I will buy one more LAN card, I will install in this PC, then I can connect to PC. Okay, that is okay, no problem. But if you say in your organization, if you have 5 PC or 100 PC, you will install 100 LAN card in this PC? No, right? It is not practical. So what we will do? We will bring a switch. Switch is a device which is used to make the communication between same network. Okay. So this is a same network device I bring here, I connect it here, and now I will go to PC, I will going to assign the IP address. So if you see here, if you double click this one, PC will open. Okay, let me double click this one, this PC open, I will go to the desktop, I will go here, I will assign the IP address. I will write 192.168.1.1. Okay, I will give 1.1, I will write here. Gateway no need, but anyhow let me give you. I will write 192.168.1.100. I am giving 100 as a default gateway. Okay, I assign here 1.1. So let me write here 1.1. I will write 192.168.1.1 for this PC. Okay, and I will go to this PC. I will write 1.2. I will go here inside this machine. I will assign the IP address. This is basic lab, that's why we are doing here in the packet tracer. In the coming classes we are going to use the GNS. Okay, so this is the okay, and here I will go, I will put here 1.3. This is a 1.3. let me go inside and paste this IP address inside this one. Okay, 1.3, and here also 1.3. so here is 1.100, this one. Okay, and now if you want to make the communication, let me go to this PC. I will go to this PC. This is a IP address 1.1. Okay, we have 3 PC. We have 1.2, 1.3. So I am going to ping from here, ping 192.168.1.2. Okay, my IP address is 1.1. I am pinging 1.3. So it is working. No issue, because same network. If you remember, as in our CCNA level, what we are saying, same network, different network. If you see here, I have example, I have here 192.168.1.1. Okay, so this is a class C IP address. This is a class C. I can say this is a class C IP address. This one network part, this one network part, this one network part, this one is a host part. So these 3 parts should be same, then only we can say same network. If this 3 part is different, then we can say different network. Okay, if you don't know, we are going to discuss in the coming classes, no issue. But see this 3 parts. So here this one, this 3 part is the network. This is network, this is network, this is network, and this is network, 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 this is network. So all are same network. But if I change here, example, instead of 1, I make this as a 2. If I make 192.168.2.1, then it will work. 2.1, it will not work, because this is a network part, this is a network, this is a network. Here network change, here 2, here 1. So they cannot communicate. So 2 different network cannot communicate. Let me show you, let me change and show you. Then we will introduce router to make the communication between different networks. So what I will do, I will go here, I will change this as a 2.3. Okay, I will go to this machine, I will change this IP from here 2.3, and here default gateway, later we will change, but anyhow let me change here also 2.100. I change the default gateway now, and now I am going to ping. I am going to ping from this machine. I will write here 2.1, and see, they both are a different network. They should not communicate. They both are in different network. They should not communicate. Okay, so if you see here, ping 192.168.2.1, it is unable to communicate. Why? They are different network. Our PC is in the network 192.168.1.1. Our machine, let me repeat again, see here, our machine is in the network 192.168.1.1, but the other machine is in the 192.168.2.1. Both are in different network. Then they cannot communicate. To overcome these types of issue, we are going to bring the router. So let me remove this cable. I will take the router. We can take any router. Let me take the basic router, that is a 2811. I will take this router. Okay, and I will take one switch. I will take one switch here, and here what I will do, I will make the communication from here to here, and from here to here, and from here to here. Okay, let me make little attractive. Maybe I hope you can easily understand this concept. This is a basic concept. We already learned this one in the CCNA level, but no issue. Just as an introduction, we are discussing this one. Let me make little zoom so you can easily see this one. Okay, I hope this is clear, right? Let me make this bigger, more bigger, so you can easily see. Okay, see here, this is a IP 192.168.2.1. okay, this is a 192.168.1.1. this guy is 192.168.2.1. okay, and this guy is 192.168.2.3. this is a different network. If you want, so what I will do here is 192.168.1.100. this is the IP for this interface, and this interface we will have 192.168.2.100. okay, see here, this is the IP for this router interface. This is a IP for this router interface. Okay, router is a device which is used to make communication between different network. If you see here, this is a different network. If you see this corner from here to here, this all corner is different network, and this network from here to here, this is from the different network. Okay, this is different network, and this is different. They cannot communicate with the help of switch, because switch is a device which is used to make communication between same network. Router is a device which is used to make communication between different network. That's why we taken the router. Okay, and if you see, we need to do configuration. The configuration is basic. Even if you don't know, no issue, but we already learned this one how to do. Let me do the configuration in the notepad so easily you can understand. Okay, let me take the notepad here. Okay, so even if you don't know ABC of the networking, no worries, you can ask the question, you can do WhatsApp us, you can write the comments, you can ask the question. So I will write here basic lab for basic lab. Let me write here router basic lab. Okay, router basic lab. Let's start the configuration. I will write R1 configuration. So here I will write enable config t host name. To change the host name, I will write host name is router name. We will give the name to the router. Then we will see. If you see here, this is a interface. Which interface? This one. If you see here, let me show you. This is a interface F0 by 0. This is a interface F0 by 1. Okay, so what I will do here, I will write here interface. Let me write here interface F0 by 0, and then I will write IP address 192.168.1.100, then subnet mask 255.255.255.0. if you cannot see, let me move this more. Okay, and then don't forget to write no shut, because by default all Cisco routers ports will be down. We need to write no shut, and then I will write like this, then 192.168.2.100 and subnet mask. This is a class full, so no need to worry, you can write the default subnet mask. This is a basic configuration for the router. I will copy this one and I will paste. I will go double click this one. You have the console of this router. First time we will write no here and press enter, and then you can paste the configuration here. If you see, all the configuration is okay, no issue, everything is good. Now you can go to the machine. Which machine? I think this machine. Go to the CMD of this machine and try to ping again that one. Okay, before it is not working, right? Now it should work. Let's see. If we configure everything 100%, then it should work. First we will go for the ARP, address resolution protocol. First packet will go for that one. It is having some issue. Let's see, maybe we did not assign the default gateway or something. We can verify. Okay, it is request timeout. So maybe we have the issue, we did not assign the default gateway. We can verify here. Let me go here 2.100 1.100. Let me see in the configuration 2.100 1.100. Let me go okay here 2.3. so let me correct this one. I wrote IP here incorrect. So now we can verify. Okay, so I will go here, I will write here, let me put enter here. Now let me check again. See here, it is working. Okay, it is working. Before it is not working, now it is working. So with the help of router, two different network is working. If you have any confusion, you can ask me, no issue. But if you see here, reply is coming, this network is 2.1, okay, and this network is 1.1. So two different network is working. We can say with this lab, we can say router is a device which is used to make the communication between